Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download and install Honkai Star Rail on PC or laptop. So for that, please open up a browser, type in the link that is hsr.hoyoverse.com. It's going to take you to the official page. So basically, you have to do it or access the game from hoyoverse.com. And here, go ahead and press the official site from the top right hand side corner. When you do that, it's going to take you to the official page. Press on the download now button, or you could go ahead and register first of all. So in my case, I'm just going to download it first of all. So here you need to select through which way you wish to download. So I'm going to go with Windows, or you could also go with PS5 or maybe Epic Game Stores and all that. And when the exe file is loading up in the top right hand side, then you could locate file, and after that you could start running the installation program. All you have to do is just follow the prompt. When you're done successfully installing, then you could go ahead and create your account and log in and explore the game. In this way, you could go ahead and download and install Honkai Star Rail on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.